supposed to be shooting right now, but we waiting on Franny, so I'm like, fuck it, let's go to the skate park. But that boy TK at work today. That boy on his grind right now, so that's why he's not in the video. But you gonna see some clips later. We gonna be shooting. Yeah. Stay tuned. Oh, and check this out. They got a pump track over here too, bro. We gonna have to pump that shit up.